tape 1. Something about masks. Hello, do you know where my mask is? Well, I kind of lost it. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go on a little journey and find it. That's what this whole video is about, okay? Well, see ya. Well, I think I'm gonna stop here. I'm so tired. Got your mask. I got your mask. Oh yeah, I've got your mask. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah, I got your mask. Okay, that was very strange. Very, very, very strange. Okay. Tape 2, he found his mask. Tape 3, he finds some people. Go. Oh, well, I think I found, well, I don't know who it is, but I have found these people. Hey, get out of here. I have found these people that I think might have my mask. Okay, here's some dudes. Was it the dude that took my mask, the knight dude, the skeleton dude, or this jerkin dude? Well, I sure wonder who it was. I think it was the jerkin dude. Where'd he go? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can't touch us. Cut. Oh hi. Hey, give me back my mask. Wait a minute. Dude, just chill out. Dude, just chill out, dude. Shut up! Oh my gosh. Now you get out of here. Okay. Second. No. Oh, wait. Hey, look. I think your rock took it. Come here, you stupid rock. You stuff. Oh my gosh, stuff. Oh my gosh, I gotta need some stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh, someone got me a new hat. Suckers. Still think it's a rock. Who do you like my lightsaber? Cut.